Good morning, children. My name is Varalakshmi. I am the class teacher of grade 2B. Today I am going to explain second lesson in EVS, plants and their uses. Children, have you ever observed a plant keenly in your surroundings? Mostly plants are green in color. See children, you have already read about the different kinds of plants in the previous class. If you look closely at a plant, you will notice that the plant has many different parts. The plants are also useful to us in many ways. Every plant has their own parts like how humans have. Now I will explain about parts of a plant. Parts of a plant. The main parts of a plant are its root, stem, leaf, flower and fruit. First, root. The part of the plant below the soil is called the root. The root helps the plant by fixing it to the soil, absorbing water from the soil. These are the main uses of roots. See children, this is a plant. I will explain parts. This is flower, this is fruit, this is leaf, this is stem. These are roots. These are roots. Already I explained about root. Now stem. Stem. The stem is a part of the plant that grows above the soil. The stem helps the plant by holding the branches, flowers, leaves and fruits. Second, carrying water to the leaves. Third, carrying food made by the leaves to the other parts of the plant. See children, this is stem. Stem is green in color. Mostly all the plants have stem in green in color. These are the uses of stem. Holding the branches, flowers, leaves and fruits, carrying water to the leaves, carrying food made by the leaves to the other parts of the plant. Next part. See, leaf. I will explain about the leaf. See children, these are leaves. The leaves of most plants are green in color. Mostly leaves are in green color. Leaves prepare food for the plant. See children, leaves prepare food for the plant with the help of sunlight. Next, flower. Flower is the colorful and beautiful part of a plant. Children, did you observe a plant having flowers in your garden? Some plants bear flowers. Such plants are called flowering plants. For example, rose, jasmine, sunflower and hibiscus. See children, here few flowers are there. Sunflower. Sunflower yellow in color. This is jasmine plant. These are jasmine flowers. Jasmine in white in color. This is rose plant. Observe this. Roses in pink color. So children, flowers come in many colors. They attract bees and butterflies. Flowers in different colors. Jasmine is white in color, hibiscus is red in color, lotus is pink in color, sunflower is yellow in color. So flowers are in different colors. Next, fruit. I'll explain about the fruit. See children. Children, I know that you all like fruits. Which fruits do you like most? The apple is my favorite fruit. What is your favorite fruit? Okay, I'll explain about fruits. Some flowers become fruits. Example, flowers of the mango tree, guava tree and pomegranate tree become fruits. See here. This is pomegranate. Flower of the pomegranate came from flower. Mango also same like that. I'll give few examples of fruits. Banana, grapes, custard apple, jackfruit. These are some more examples of fruits. Next, seed. Seeds are found inside the fruits. Most new plants grow from a seed. Some fruits have many seeds. Some fruits have only single seed. See children, this is mango. Mango seed. Mango have only one seed. Apple, few seeds inside of the fruit. Papaya, papaya have many seeds. See children, observe this. This is mango, this is apple, this is papaya. Most of the fruits have seeds inside the fruit. Some fruits such as mangoes have only one seed like this. Some fruits such as apple and grapes have a few seeds. Some fruits such as papaya and watermelon have many seeds. Custard apple also like that. Custard apple also have many seeds. Children, we learned about parts of a plant. See children, parts of a plant are roots, stem, leaf, flower, fruit. These are parts of a plant. In page number 169, one exercise is there. See children, this is trace over the dotted lines to find the missing parts. Color the plant. Try to name these parts. Think of one use for each part. See children, you trace these dotted lines like this. You do like this. You complete the picture, then you color it and you think which part is most important part of the plant and you observe all the parts. Then you color it. Okay? Children, we learned about the different parts of a plant. Now I will explain uses of plants. See children, we get food from the plant. We get fruits, vegetables, sugar, pulses and cereals from plants. See this picture. Here some fruits are there. Grapes, apple, strawberry, mango, banana. These are all fruits. We get fruits from the plants. Next, vegetables. Capsicum, brinjal, cauliflower. Next, potato, tomato. These are all vegetables. We get vegetables also from plants. Pulses. See here children. Pulses. Seeds of some plants that are cooked and eaten. Cereals. Grains that can be eaten. These are also foods. These foods we get from plants. So we get food from plants. This is the main use of plants. See children, here also types of cereals. Wheat, paddies, these are important cereals. Here pulses. Observe this. These all are pulses. Food grains. This is sugar cane. We get sugar from sugar cane. These all are we get from plants. Next, bees collect nectar from the flowers to make honey. Children, you all are like honey, yes? See, this is honey. Here, this is flower. This is honeybee. Honeybee come and get nectar from the flowers like this, children. Honey is the only food that does not spoil. Next use, we get wood from the plants. Wood is obtained from the trunk and branches of big trees. Wood is used for making of furniture, houses and pencils. See children, here some wood items is there. One is table, one more is pencils. Children, do you have all our furniture in your houses? Chairs, tables, dining tables, and next dressing tables, sofas, and doors, windows, stools. These all are wooden items. This wood is came from trunk and branches of big trees. So we get wood from plants. See children, we get cotton and jute fiber from plants. Cloths, threads, bags and stuffed toys are made from cotton. Bags, sacks, ropes and mats are made from jute fiber. See here, this is cotton dress. This is made with cotton. We get cotton from cotton plant. See here jute items are there. Jute bag, mat, rope, etc. Nowadays, jute is also used for making dress materials. So this is the use of one more use of plant. We get a rubber, paper and gum from the plants. We get rubber and gum from the juices of trees. See children, this is gum tree. We get gum from this tree. This is gum. We use gum for pasting papers, books, etc. Next, paper is made from the pulp of wood. See children, this is gum tree, this is gum. This is rubber tree. We get rubber from this tree. Okay, rubber is used in making of tires, rubber bands, erasers, slippers, etc. Next, paper is made from the pulp of wood. This is sheet of paper. The paper which we are using comes from the bamboo tree. Paper came from bamboo tree. See children, this is gum tree, this is gum, this is rubber tree, these are rubber bands. So this is paper. Papers came from bamboo tree. Paper used making of notebooks, textbooks and registers, exam papers. These are all paper items. Okay, so papers is made from the pulp of wood. This is one more use. Next, we get medicines from the plants. Some plants have medicinal values. The leaves of the tulsi plant and eucalyptus tree are good for cough and cold. This is tulsi plant. This is the best medicine for cough and cold. This is mint. This is a mint plant. This is also medicinal plant. This is eucalyptus. Nowadays, eucalyptus used in some medicines. This is aloe vera. Aloe vera is also medicinal plant. This is one beauty product also. Aloe vera used in beauty product also. So these all are called medicinal plants. Tulsi, mint, eucalyptus, aloe vera, these all are medicinal plants. Children, you know your parents drink tea or coffee. Do you know from where we will get this? We get tea, coffee and cocoa from plants. We get tea from the leaves of tea plants. Coffee is made from the seeds of coffee plant. Chocolate is made from cocoa beans. See children, these are coffee seeds. This is coffee. Coffee seeds are cultivated mostly in African countries. Next, we get cocoa from West African countries. See children, this is tea plants. This is tea powder. The major tea producer states in India are Assam, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. So we get tea from tea leaves of the tea plant. Coffee is made from the seeds of coffee plant. Chocolate is made from cocoa beans. We get oil and perfumes from plants. We get oil for cooking from the seeds of some plants. We also use oil for our hair. See children, we get oil for cooking from the seeds of plants. See this, sunflower oil. This is sunflower plant. This is sunflower oil. We get sunflower oil from sunflowers. In the middle of the sunflower, some seeds are there. We get sunflower oil from these seeds. Sunflower oil used in cooking. Next, olive oil. This is olive oil. We get olive oil from this olive. This is also used in cooking. Next, groundnut oil. See children, these are groundnuts and this is groundnut oil. Groundnut oil used in cooking. So, sunflower oil, olive oil, groundnut oil, these are used in cooking. We also use oil for our hair. Coconut oil used for our hair. Next, the flowers are many plants and wood such as sandalwood are used in the making of perfumes. See children, this is perfume. Rose, jasmine are used in making of perfumes. And this is sandalwood tree. Sandalwood tree used in making of perfumes. So, rose, jasmine, sandalwood, these are also used in perfumes. Plants gives us spices. We use spices in cooking and sometimes for medicinal purpose also. See children, this is cardamom. This is clove, cinnamon, pepper. These are all spices. We use spices in cooking. Mostly we use in cooking and sometimes for medicinal purpose also we use. So plants give us spices, these spices. Next, we get beautiful flowers from plants. Beautiful flowers and leaves from plants are used for decoration and religious purpose. Girls and women in many parts of India wear flowers in their hair. See children, making of bouquet used flowers and making of garlands used some beautiful flowers. Flowers also used for worshipping God. So we get beautiful flowers from plants. Next, other uses of plants. Plants give oxygen which all living things need to breathe. This is one important use. Plants give us oxygen which all living things need to breathe. Without oxygen, we cannot live on earth. Plants give shade and shelter to many birds and animals. Here see, here one tree is there. On the tree, some birds. Here, one animal, some birds live on this tree. And here, some animals shelter under the tree. So, other uses of plants are: plants give us oxygen which all living things need to breathe. Plants give shade and shelter to many birds and animals. So children, these are the uses of plants. So children, today we learnt parts of a plant and uses of plant. I hope you all understood. Next, in page number 176, see children, here plants and their uses. See children, this side parts of a plant and this side uses of plants. See children, parts of a plant: root, stem, leaf, flower and fruit. These are parts of a plant. This side uses. We get wood, food, wood, rubber, paper and gum. And we get cotton and jute fibers, medicines, oils and spices, tea, coffee, cocoa, flowers and perfumes, oxygen to breathe, shade and shelter for animals and birds. So these are the uses of plants. This side parts of the plant and this side uses of plants. And in same page, here exercises are there. You do. I will explain. You do. First bit, tick the correct answer. The dash carry water to the leaves. Here options are there: roots, stem, flowers, fruits. Roots. Correct answer is roots. The roots carry water to the leaves. Second, the stem hold the flowers, dash, leaves and fruits. Here correct answer, branches. The stem hold the flowers, branches, leaves and fruits. Next, here see children, dash attract bees and butterflies. Which part? Leaves, flowers, honey, roots. Correct answer is flowers. Flowers attract bees and butterflies. Next, dash is a spice. In these parts, which one is spice? Coconut, cardamom, caramel, cucumber. Correct answer is cardamom. Next, tea is made from the dash of tea plant. Seeds, leaves, roots, flowers. Options are: tea is made from the leaves of tea plant. In next page, page number 177, second bit. Match the following. This side in column A, pictures are there. Column B, here answers are there. See, what is the first one? Mango. Mango has only one seed. Here, second one is correct. Here, honey. See the answers. B is one seed, medicine made from wood, spice. So, honey bees. Next, table. See the answers. Made from wood. So, answer is 4. What is this? Clove. See the answers again. Spice. What is this? Aloe vera. See here. Answer, medicine. Next, see the third bit. Put tick mark if the sentence is correct or a cross mark if it is wrong. Sacks are made from honey. Is this correct? Wrong. Tulsi is a medicinal plant. Is this correct? Yes. The part of a plant above the soil is the root. It is correct? No. We get coffee from the stem of coffee plant. No. This statement also wrong. We get coffee from coffee seeds. Roots fix the plant to the soil. Yes, correct. Next, answer the following questions. You read and write the answers. Name any two parts of a plant. Root, stem. Name any two fiber we get from plants. Cotton. You know the answer, children. Jute. Name any two flowering plants. Rose, jasmine. What do flowers attract? Bees, butterflies. Name any two flowers from which we get perfumes. Rose, jasmine. So children, these are the exercises you do. See children, in page number 178, one more exercise is there. Fun time. Match the leaves that are the same. You may also color the leaves using green and yellow. See children, observe these leaves. This one and this one same. You match it like this. This one and this one same. You match it like this. And this leaf and this one also same. And this one and this one also same. Match like this and then you color it. Okay children. Bye. See you later. Bye bye.